Hi, in this video I'm going to share you the two ways of Xlookup, how we can use it. So we have here the data of salesman's names and from January till April sales units. So we need to get both salesman and sales unit using two ways lookup. So before that I will show you the usage of one way lookup, Xlookup. Open Xlookup, open bracket. What is the lookup value? I'm just using this name, salesman name, as lookup value. Where we are looking this lookup value, this is the range, comma, then what is our return value. So here we can use only any columns. I'm picking this here, January columns. Okay, then close the parenthesis, enter it. We got it on January. Ali, he got 5,000 sales unit. If it's in January, it's correct. In February, there is no change. So I'm using Xlookup. Inside Xlookup, another Xlookup I'm going to use here. So we need the result. So from the current one, I am removing the return array. I'm just removing this return array, and I'm adding one more Xlookup there. Xlookup, open bracket, then pick the month lookup value. Where we are looking this lookup value, it's here, comma, what is our return array? So I'm using here from here to till here. This is our output array. So close one more bracket there. Enter it. Let's see here, when we change the month, it will change. When we change the name of the salesperson, everything will change. So I hope you understand this video. In case if you want to know the formula for this, just write formula text here. Equals formula text. Pick from down this formula text, and where is our formula locates here. Close the bracket. We can see our Xlookup formula here. I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.